Hello friend, how are you? The recipe I got for you today is rice with milk. Here I got a cup of rice, a carton of condensed milk, a heart of salt, a bottle of the vanilla, a bag the cinnamon, a liter of milk, and both on rising. I am going to wash the rice in order to put in on the here. And now I am going to pour in water. Here we go with 2 cups of water. 1, 2. And I am add the cooked rice. Add a spoon of cinnamon, stir to see how in what's doing. Observe the grain starting to get sour. In a mild temperature, and I add the liter of milk. It will continue cooking. I have to remove it from the stove. I am putting on pink salt because it is right. I am going to pour a cup of the condensed milk. Add me and with, I am with the string. Let's stay the point of sweetness. And we are going to point in the stop to end. I am going to add the resin. I keep stirring. To end, cover it and turn off the heat. Left is to red. And let's put 2 ohms of vainilla. F-seal. Answer in glass. Or plate.